Well, welcome back on Roll Adventure. Today, I'm excited to do another cooking video. KTO, we're making some blueberry muffins. I will put the link in the description where you can find this recipe because I am doubling the batch, so everything you see, it is going to be technically half if you make a single batch. So we preheated the oven to 375. We got our sugar, we're gonna put our eggs in. We got our vanilla, butter, milk. Put them all together. So far what we got in here is white sugar, 2 eggs, melted butter, milk, vanilla, flour, baking powder, and salt. All that's left to do is sour cream and blueberries. So when it says add the wet ingredients, don't add the sour cream. You add the sour cream once you're done with mixing it. I use frozen blueberries because it makes it more like I guess it makes them fluffy because it pretty much freezes it and then it puffs out once you put it in the oven. I'm not telling you how much I have in here because I don't want you thinking that you're making a single batch and you add too much of something and too less of something. It looks like a swirl when you mix it in. It's going to turn really light at this point because sour cream's white and white things make other things lighter. Almost white, just hints of orange. Then we're going to leave that off to the side. And then blueberries. Blueberries, we usually get wild blueberries, but they didn't have them this time. I'm gonna let that sit aside while we get our muffin tins ready. Actually, let's do this the easy way. 1/3 cup. Maybe you guys can see that. 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup should fill it up to the brim. This double batch should make 24. Single batch makes around 12. If you want to, so they don't stick, I would put vegetable oil and just swirl it around in there. Okay, so as you see, I have made 24. Usually, I don't, which is a surprise that I made 24. Sorry, 25 minutes. And then they're gonna look awesome. They're gonna have nice golden brown tops, but still have this nice, cool blue color on the inside. And that is how you make perfect golden brown with muffins. We like them that way. These are awesome. Well, if you like baking with me, don't forget to click subscribe on Rollin' with Adventure. KTO, out.